How to download and install Bully Anniversary Edition on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, we will be learning how you can download the Bully Anniversary Edition game on your Android tablet or your smartphone. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is connected, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in Bully and search. Look for the Bully Anniversary Edition app from Rockstar Games and tap on Install. You'll then need to go ahead and wait for the game to install, which will take a couple of minutes. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection before downloading the app. And after waiting for a couple of minutes, the application will be downloaded and you can easily play the game. On your Android or your iOS, you'll only be able to get the trial version of Bully Anniversary Edition. You can play the game for free for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, you'll be required to buy the complete game. So that is how you can easily download and install the Bully Anniversary Edition game on your device, whether you are using an Android device or iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.